Okay, so today we're making dumpling soup because Jim's not here. So I was left alone to feed myself. I went through his videos and I found a video he was making for dumpling soup. But I didn't want to do it on my own, so I invited over the person that gave us the recipe.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And 1.5 cups of plant-based chicken.
I'm going back to the beginning.
Okay.
The ingredients you'll need are 8 cups of vegetable broth, 1 chopped carrot, 2 chopped celery stalks, 1 chopped onion, and 1.5 cups of plant-based chicken.
I thought I could do this without hurting myself.
Maybe, but you need a splash guard.
I'm
There you go.
actually nervous.
There you go. Ah!
Oh, did you? Oh, I got hit.
Ingredients you'll need are 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar or sugar alternative, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of non-dairy milk, 2 tablespoons of soft tofu, and 2 tablespoons of soft butter.
Pour in the flour, right? That's what you said. And then there is the salt, the sugar alternative, the baking soda.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And that looks really good. And then here goes your butter. Oops, sorry.
And
Did it
wait,
work?
yeah, but wait. I don't think I can whisk a big.
No,
chunk
that's
of
what I'm saying. That's when we have to switch to this.
This is what happened.
Yeah. This is bad. Oh wait, I blocked the camera a little.
Oh man. And then you just fold it.
We've got
And
yeah,
fold
you
it.
just keep going. There we go.
They're kind of like
They're lumping up.
They're
They're looking
kinda
like
like-
funnel cakes.
crepe blocks.
Yeah.
Or funnel cakes,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
If you don't know what a crepe block is.
Well,
It could also be compared to matzo balls.
matzo balls are exactly the same.
You know what this is not at all like?
What?
Funnel cakes. Alright.
I mean, that tastes good.
Smells good.
Oh,
Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down.
it's overflowing. Mark made dinner. Mark made dinner.
Wait, what's overflowing?
Nothing.
Thank you for watching One Cancer Patient YouTube channel. Please let us know if you liked the video by hitting that thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell button to see when our latest videos are posted. Have a great day, and goodbye.